What I am about to say is absolutely shocking. It's shocking. It's all about metals for this design season. Metals come in four categories. You have your blacks, you have golds, you have your coppers, and you have your chrome or stainless steel. If you love a particular metal, whether it is black, gold, chrome, then make that be your main metal. Mix your metals. And by mixing your metals, coming in with something that's trending, you will stay abreast of everything that's changing in the design world. But y'all, I have to tell you, what I'm about to say, what I'm about to tell you will literally make you drop your phone. And what I have seen, y'all, with my own two eyes will make you want to redo your entire house. It'll make you want to change everything that you hold dear to your heart. Gold has been trending for the last couple of years. And right when you decide to put that very last gold fixture up in your house, it is time to move on to something else. Pieces that I have seen, make you clutch your pearls, make you want to change your whole house out, make you want to start anew, just be in a whole empty house and just start back over. The Southern Girl is telling you that today, that it is absolutely, positively, it's gorgeous. Now, it's in the industry, they are saying, and I still don't know who they are, but they are saying that chrome, dripping, glistening, shimmery, shining chrome, 1970s disco style chrome. Yes. Go over to CB2 and your mouth is literally going to drop open. You heard it here. You're going to be seeing chrome on furniture, light fixtures, accessories. You name it, you're going to see it. Hold up. Wait a minute. Because like I said before, I tell everybody, if you are in love with a particular metal, I have always been a lover of gold. It has been my metal, whether it was in or whether it was out. I always recommend that you mix your metals. Have the dominant one that you like throughout your house, and you can always come in and do small doses of what's trending. But I need y'all to leave some comments. This is going to be a twofold question, so I need a twofold comment answer. One, I want to know what type of metals do y'all have in your home? What is your preferred metal? The second thing is, I would like to know, what do you think about this new design trend of all the chrome that you're going to be seeing? And I'm talking about that 1970s shiny chrome. What do y'all think about it? Make sure to hit that subscribe button today. And you can follow me on all of my other social medias. Y'all know they're here, there, and everywhere. And I will see y'all on the next trend report.